Hey there, music enthusiasts! Welcome back to Sive and Sound, the go-to place for all things music. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic that every aspiring musician should pay close attention to: building your dream team. Your journey in the music industry can be challenging, but with the right team by your side, you'll be well equipped to navigate this complex world. So, let's talk about the key players every musician needs: a personal manager, an attorney, a business manager, and an agency. First up, let's talk about the personal manager. This person is like your musical partner in crime, guiding you through the ups and downs of your career. They help you make strategic decisions, find opportunities, and ensure you stay on track. A personal manager should be someone you trust implicitly and who understands your artistic vision. The role of a personal manager helps with developing and executing a long-term career strategy that aligns with the artist's goals and vision, coordinating with publicists, marketing teams, and record labels to maximize the artist's visibility and exposure. They help with building and managing the artist's team, which may include lawyers, agents, publicists, and other professionals. They also help with facilitating communication and collaboration among team members to achieve common goals and strategically planning for the artist's future, considering factors like evolving musical trends, audience preferences, and industry changes. A personal manager serves as the artist's confidant, strategist, and day-to-day coordinator. Their role is multifaceted, encompassing both the artistic and business aspects of the artist's career. By managing various aspects of an artist's life, a personal manager allows the artist to focus on their creative endeavors while ensuring that their career thrives in a competitive and ever-changing industry. Next on our list is the attorney. Legal matters in the music industry can be tricky to navigate, so having a music attorney is essential to protect your rights and interests. Your attorney will help you negotiate deals, review contracts, and ensure that you're getting what you deserve. An attorney acts as an advocate for artists during negotiations with record labels, publishers, and other parties. They can help secure fair terms and compensation, ensuring that artists are not taken advantage of in the negotiation process. Negotiating favorable terms and contracts, such as royalties, advances, and creative control, can have a substantial impact on an artist's long-term success and financial stability. Now let's talk about the business manager. This person handles the financial aspects of your career, from budgeting to revenue management. Your business manager keeps your finances in check, so you can focus on making great music without worrying about money matters. By having a business manager review contracts, artists can avoid signing deals that may be disadvantageous or overly restrictive. This protection prevents potential legal disputes down the road. Music contracts can be intricate and filled with legal jargon. A business manager's expertise in contract analysis and negotiation ensures that artists fully understand the terms and conditions of any agreement they enter into. This includes recording contracts, publishing deals, performance agreements, and more. Musicians often have diverse income streams, including revenue from music sales, live performances, merchandise, and endorsements. A business manager helps organize and manage these financial affairs, ensuring that artists receive their due payments promptly. In addition to music contracts, artists often engage in negotiations related to sponsorships, brand partnerships, and endorsements. These deals can have legal and financial implications. A business manager's legal understanding helps navigate these negotiations effectively, ensuring that the terms are fair and that the artist's brand is protected. Despite best efforts, conflicts can arise in the music industry, whether related to contracts, royalties, or other matters. A business manager can act as a liaison between the artist and legal professionals in resolving these disputes efficiently and in the artist's best interest. In essence, a business manager acts as the artist's financial and legal advocate, overseeing critical aspects of their career to ensure they are protected, fairly compensated, and able to focus on their music without the stress of navigating complex legal matters. Legal protection in music contracts, copyrights, and negotiations is fundamental to an artist's success, and having a business manager as part of their team is a strategic choice to ensure this protection is in place. Last but not least, we have the agency. An agency can open doors to opportunities you might not have access to on your own. An agency will help you reach a broader audience, secure gigs, and manage your publicity, allowing you to concentrate on your craft. Music agencies often have extensive networks and industry contacts, including talent buyers, event organizers, and venue owners. This access makes it easier to secure bookings at established venues, festivals, and events. Agencies have experience in negotiating favorable terms for artists, including performance fees, travel accommodations, and rider requests. They can often secure better deals than artists negotiating on their own. Music agencies stay updated on industry trends, market dynamics, and emerging opportunities. They can advise artists on how to adapt to changing conditions and capitalize on new trends. Agencies use data and analytics tools to track the performance of an artist's music and promotional efforts. This data-driven approach helps optimize strategies and identify areas for improvement. Agency representatives provide valuable feedback and advice to artists based on their experience in the industry. They can guide artists on branding, repertoire selection, and live performance improvements. Agency representation offers musicians a comprehensive and professional approach to booking gigs, promoting music, and expanding their reach. It leverages industry expertise, connections, and resources to enhance an artist's career, allowing them to concentrate on their creative work while the agency handles the business side of the music industry. This partnership can be instrumental in helping artists achieve their career goals and reach a wider and more diverse audience. So, there you have it, folks. The key players every musician needs to build their dream team: a personal manager, an attorney, a business manager, and an agency. Remember, building your team is a vital step in your music career. These professionals will help you navigate the industry's challenges and ensure you're on the path to success. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Siven Sound for more music-related content. Also, feel free to share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. We'll see you in the next video.